Well, hello everyone. What's up? So today it is June 21st, 2011, currently 11:50 p.m. And today we're going to be attempting to mate Hans and Gretel for the 10th pairing. As you have seen in my original uploads, this was the most recent mating attempt on April 8th, 2011. So that is approximately 2.5 months since their last pairing. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so now the first step to do is to get the male out of his own enclosure. So this is basically what I do. Take a big cup and try to scoop it in there. I know he's not going to be the happy cappy, but that's generally how you able to transfer large and defensive keys, especially for Haplopalmagenus. So he's pretty excited. I know definitely he was starting to pace around the tank, so that was a good sign. So now, here's Gretel, the female, and now I'm going to introduce him on the opposite side. It's a done deal now, so just introduce the male to the female's enclosure. So here's Hans, about a 10.5-inch mature male, Theraphosa stirmi, and this is my 10-inch female named Gretel. So it's 11:55. I just transfer him now, and I'll get you in a bit and see if there's any action. Alright, let's see if mating attempt 10 works. So now I'm going ahead and prod the mature male and see if I could try to lure Hans to Gretel and see what happens. I'm just doing them very slowly. Oh, female's coming. Ooh, she's drumming. Now, I don't think she's potentially gravid. I think I might mate her a few times. I'm going to start mating them once every 2 weeks, twice a month, until she really decides to have enough with Hans. Okay. So it's showtime. It is now 11:59 p.m. into the wee morning of the 22nd of June. Well, he's drumming. See, what I love about Theraphosa mating in general is that these are very easy species to mate. But the thing is, with these species, it's very difficult to get a sac from it. So, this is what they're doing now. And maybe I can just zoom in and see if we can get an insertion. Okay, so that's a receptive sign. Very good. He's doing the job. Maya's getting in there. For Big Tony 1912, he asked me to make a video of this, and here we go. So far, so good. I'm trying to zoom in on her fangs, because her fangs are starting to come out. You can see how large they are. It's about an inch apart. It's a very good female. Usually with Theraphosa, I don't have to worry about overfeeding her too much. I know that these mating seems to go well. It's just the Burgundy Zelda. I'm kind of worried that I might have to leave him overnight. Let's see if they're willing to get another go. So far it's 12:07 a.m. Roughly 10 minutes since I paired the male and female. And it looks like they're done. Or maybe not. A big size comparison to the male and the female. Female's abdomen is just totally huge. Male's kind of scrawny looking. I really start to feed him heavily now with superworms. And again, he's pretty old too. He's about 1.5 years into his maturity, so I don't know how long he has left to live. Probably maybe 2 years. Or half a year. Who knows? So as long as that I'm getting this mating attempt video, and hopefully I'll get some stirmi babies. That'd be really cool. Alright, so now he's parting his ways now. Female's in threat posture. Male is starting to leave. And that is a good way to start to get your male out of there before he becomes lunch. Come on. He doesn't want to go back into his thing. Come on, you. I know you. Come on. There we go. Good boy. And that's him. Just look how monstrous he is. Certainly very leggy, eh? Yeah. Alright, time to put you back in there. Job well done. There we go. And c'est ça. So, do hope you enjoyed this awesome mating attempt video of Theraphosa stirmi, Burgundy Goliath bird eater. Hope you enjoyed it, and thanks for watching.